Hello, today we will learn how to create an IVR in less than 3 minutes. Let's do it. Okay, let me share my screen so I can show you how. This is Box Implant Kit interface. On the left, we have our menu where we have all the options. We're going to go to the inbound section where we can create an IVR. You can use one of these templates that we have, or just create a blank scenario. Let's start with that. Now, how do we create an IVR here? We have an inbound call that is going to be activated whenever we receive a new phone call in one of the phone numbers that we have purchased for this reason. Now, in order to create an IVR, you just need one block of Box Implant Kit, and this is the interactive menu block. This block will allow you to create an IVR in minutes. So let's create a simple IVR. Hello, this is an automated. This is an IVR. Now, we're going to create a second type IVR that is relating all the keywords and phrases with an output or maybe a selection of the user. So this is an IVR. How can I help you? And we have some options. Now, here you can repeat if we didn't understand any response. If we don't understand the response or anything that the customer is saying, we're going to repeat the question and then we can add some information. Now we have some options: sales and support. Now, how can we recognize these two options? In Box Implant Kit, you can recognize voice or the keyboard input, and you can recognize both. We're going to select English US as the recognition language of this interaction. And now this recognition will start after our voice bot stops talking. Now, I'm going to save this and I'm going to create a new response. Now, one, I'm going to relate it with sales. So maybe I can say I want to buy, I want to purchase. And I can have another port. This was port 1, and port 2 will be support. I can change the name as well, and I will select the keypad number 2. So we will select 2 support. So all these words will trigger this port. So the call will take this path instead of going through the other. So this will be sales. Okay, we're going to save. Now, I am going to, if I say sales, I can send this call to my sales queue. Now, I can use the embedded contact center in Box Implant Kit to send this call to an omni-channel queue created in Box Implant Kit, where my agents can respond messages, WhatsApp, Telegram, and also calls coming from my IVR. Now, the way that you do this, and before sending your customer to another queue, you want to maybe tell your customer that you're going to do so. So we are going to speak using the text-to-speech block. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this with Control D. Okay, and I'm going to call to queue. And if I get success, I'm going to end the scenario. And if I don't receive an answer, I am also going to finish the scenario just to keep it simple. Okay. Now we have a very simple IVR. I'm going to publish. Oh, I'm missing something. Oh, the fail port is not connected to anything. You have to connect all the ports in all the boxes in order for the scenario to be published and saved. Okay, publish. Call to queue. We're missing something. Oh, yes, we're not sending to any queue. I'm going to send to this sales queue. I can select the parameters that I'm going to send to my agent. So these are variables. These variables can come in maybe from your CRM. We can ask to your CRM, who is this person owning this phone number, and your CRM can answer, and we can personalize the call. Or maybe this person is coming from another PBX, and you send us information or meta information about the call or the user using zip headers, using a zip call. We can also receive zip calls in Box Implant Kit, and you can put here other information. You can build your reports and your IVRs using whatever logic and whatever variables you want to use. So this will allow you to create custom reports and dashboards so you can see the effects of your programming in inbound or outbound calls. Also, you have awaiting messages set up for the queue. We save this and we should be able to publish. Okay, I'm missing the same here. So one is for sales and the other one is for, support, could be. But I want to show you something real quick. Instead of sending the people to two different queues, I can create just one queue in Box Implant, and I'm going to show you another box real quick that will allow us to filter what type of calls are being passed to my agents and what kind of agents can answer these calls, can handle these calls. So if I want to send this call to a queue, but I want only my agents that have the skill one, maybe this is sales, to be over 4 in my qualification. So only these agents that match this filter will receive the incoming call from this, even though they are in the same queue as my sales agent. So this is really powerful because it gives you the chance to have um, just one queue, but have multiple skills for your agents. So you can have a more intelligent prioritization of your calls, to provide better service to your VIP customers and not regular service to your VIP customers. It's more like that. Or you can use this however you want. This is how we want to build our product, is that you can build whatever you want. If you dream it, you can build it with Box Implant. So I hope this small tutorial works for you. Let's make a call now. What we are missing here to make a call to this IVR, we need to connect a phone number. So I'm going to add a phone number. As I'm located in Colombia, I'm going to select one Colombian phone number so you can see how we can recognize the phone number of each of your customers. So in order to buy a phone number, you have to go to the numbers section in the left part of your screen, and you can select buy a phone number to buy a new phone number in almost every country in the world. You can also buy phone numbers that are SMS capable. You need to buy one of these if you want to send an SMS in the scenario. So this is really important. Now I have some numbers already in my account. I'm going to just unplug one of these to connect it to this new scenario that we just created. Okay, I just related that phone number to my default inbound scenario that I created today. I'm going to call to this number now so you can see how our IVR sounds like.
Hello, this is an IVR. How can I help you?
I want to talk to sales.
How can I help you? Say sales if you want to talk with sales, or say support if you need assistance.
Sales.
Thank you. I am going to transfer you to sales right now.
So if you want to check how to receive calls into your contact center with Voxland, check out this other video where I'm going to show you how to create a simple contact center and to connect these queues with this inbound scenario. Take care. Bye.